Hi, this is Sarness English Quiz and welcome. There are 10 pronoun questions here and you have 5 seconds to answer each one. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct pronoun. Question number 1. Some of these clothes are A. Them, B. Him, C. His, D. Yours, not mine. And the correct answer, as it was very obvious, was D. Some of these clothes are yours, not mine. Question number 2. My nephew was crying and needed A. His, B. Her, C. Their, D. My diaper changed. And as nephew is a male, the correct answer is A. My nephew was crying and needed his diaper changed. Question number 3. A. Nobody, B. Anyone, C. Everyone, D. Anybody cuts my hair like she does. And the correct answer was A. Nobody cuts my hair like she does. We use nobody in positive sentences and anybody and anyone in negative sentences. Question number 4. A. They, B. These, C. Their, D. Those. 2 rings on my little finger belong to my grandmother. And the correct answer was B. These 2 rings on my little finger belong to my grandmother. Question number 5. That old lady lived by A. Herself, B. Her, C. Their, D. Hers. And you've already selected the correct answer, which is A. That old lady lived by herself. Question number 6. Sam wrote a letter to Anne and A. Us, B. Me, C. I, D. You, but we didn't write him one. And the correct answer was C. Good job. Sam wrote a letter to Anne and I, but we didn't write him one. Question number 7. When Jack grabbed that lizard, A. Itself, B. It, C. Its, D. Its tail broke off. And C was the correct answer. When Jack grabbed that lizard, its tail broke off. Question number 8. A. I, B. He, C. They, D. You have to work harder to make my dreams come true. And the correct answer was A. I have to work harder to make my dreams come true. Question number 9. Barney said that A. I, B. She, C. They, D. He won't come tomorrow. And the correct answer was D. Barney said that he won't come tomorrow. Question number 10. Barney told that A. I, B. She, C. They, D. He won't come tomorrow. And the correct answer was A. Barney told that I won't come tomorrow. There's a difference between tell and say. How many questions did you answer correctly? I really appreciate you for watching this till the end. If you want, please share your score in the comments and compete with others.